Hi everybody, I'm Bill Ritter along with my 8-year-old daughter Ella, and happy Mother's Day to everyone. To celebrate Mother's Day, we're making, I think, our favorite dessert. Eleanor Friery's, my mother-in-law, her grandmother, Eleanor Friery's famous applesauce. And it means something to our family because since Ella was born, Eleanor, D-Dow is what she calls her, has always called Ella applesauce. So that's what we're gonna do and make it, and we love it. So here's how we started. We took 8 apples and Ella and I peeled them. And then we cut them up into smaller pieces. I like to eat the seeds, but it's not good in applesauce, so we took out the seeds. And this is the final product, right? And then it's really simple to cook. It's very simple. Let's show them how to do it. Bring this over here. You put the chopped apples inside the bowl. And then you put in a 1.5 cups of water. Go ahead. There you go. Then we put in, less than 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Pour it in. That's great. And then to cut some of the bitterness of that, we put in, 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar, raw, brown, white sugar, whatever you want. Pour it all in. There we go. And then, my favorite part, just 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Go ahead. There we go. And then you bring this to a boil. And it takes about 15 minutes until it gets nice and soft. So by now, the house is filled with the smell of boiled apples. Smell good? Let's see if they're done. Take a look. What do you think? Pretty mushy, right? Okay, so now comes the final part. You spoon all the apples into the blender. Try not to drop the hot apple on your daughter.
A little bit.
As with anything with a blender that's hot, you want to put the lid on and you want to hold it. And if you don't have a blender, it's okay. You can use an old-fashioned potato masher. And then, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, put it right there. Go. We're done. Right? Take the lid off. Careful. Ooh, that's hot. And we'll pour it right inside the bowl. Ready? And there you have it. Blow a little bit. You can take a little, this makes you blow it. We're gonna get a little taste test here. Never let it cool. Go ahead. Little bit bite. Little bite. Really good. And there you have it. Eleanor Friery's magnificent, beautiful, but now not so very secret applesauce for Mother's Day 2018. From us to you, we say Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day!